Welcome. In front of me I have GIGASET GS190 and I'm going to show you how you can connect XIAOMI AIrDots to this smartphone. So at the first we have to simply open case with our AirDots and grab them to our hand. When you take them off from the box, you can spot right here that the indicator on the buff is blinking. So it means that they are moved to the pairing mode automatically. We don't even have to press these buttons right here. But if they are not in the pairing mode, you have to click and hold these buttons until these indicators start blinking on the white color. Next we have to go for the Bluetooth settings on our GIGASET. Click to pair new device. And just take a look on the available devices list. When the Redmi AirDots 2 pops here, just tap on it once, like that. Then click pair. And as you can see, right now we are connected. So that's all. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.